Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing this evening will be how to use an analog TV, okay, if the digital signal is digital. One way how to remedy this one is you buy a digital tuner in which the output, one of the outputs will be analog. So that analog output could be injected to the analog TV. So the analog TV, we could still use it. To discuss this digital tuner here, this digital tuner, it's a small one. Uh, this digital tuner got two outputs. The first terminal is something like this. That's the view of this terminal, first terminal. That's where the output digital is coming out. We call this one in electronics HDMI, High Definition Media Interface. The other output of this digital tuner is actually analog. This is the terminal for the RF connector. This is the RF connector. This one here. The one we use to connect old analog televisions to VCR. This is an analog cable. So this is where we divert or inject the signal going to the analog TV coming from the digital tuner. Okay? So it's an easy remedy. So for you guys, if you still have analog television, don't throw it because you can still use it. Analog televisions is actually more durable than big screen televisions because instead of using the LED or LCD, okay, the picture of this one is actually using a picture tube. It's the original picture tube, the one with the high voltage. So what I'm discussing here is to use again this analog television, we must have a digital tuner in which one of the output of the digital tuner will be analog signal. Okay, this terminal here is where the antenna is coming in. Like what I said, television stations now, the signal coming from them are actually digital. So the one coming in here for this rabbit antenna will be digital signal. Okay. So for us to show that we could still use the analog television, okay, I will be connecting this RF cable here to the analog terminal. For the digital terminal, I don't mind that one because for the meantime we are just discussing the analog output of this digital tuner. Okay, so to show you that I power up the digital tuner now. It's on now. So the only missing thing here is to show to you guys that by using a digital tuner which has an output of analog signal, we could still use our old analog televisions. Okay? I will try to power up the television. Okay? I will try to power it up and hopefully there will be a video that's coming out and that is supposed to be analog.
around the car, looked in the back window, saw the duct tape, saw the rope.
This is a case that solved itself
Yeah.
before you even get to the arraignment.
Exactly. In a
That's an analog signal.
Jose seemed to dig himself
Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. So, as I have shown you, by using a digital tuner with analog output, I was able to bring out an analog signal to this analog TV. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.